Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
You went see what's the reason of them still
October 24th, NFA grand jury. Come to order. Now calling on the 38th for Venus Smith, docket CR 010-528 23BF. Appearance.
At this time, as the evidence is before the assigned, we cannot meet our burden of production.
Well, should be documented in the defense name.
Yes, docket CR-004-160-23EX. And the defendant's name is Kevin Garcia.
And the reasons why you're requesting it be dismissed and sealed?
We cannot meet our burden of proof at trial with the evidence before us.
And this is after you've investigated this matter further?
That's correct.
All right, the people's application to dismiss and seal this document is granted. Come to order. Now calling the third floor for the defendant, Reverend Speakersville, docket CR 010-940-23BX. Appearance.
For Mr. Pickersgill, Edward Soto of the Bronx Defenders. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Anthony Bowlby for the people. Good morning.
All right, people, what's the status of this case?
No grand jury action, Judge.
Any offers?
No more.
Have they reaffirmed cross?
Yes, Judge, I'm reaffirming cross, and I also ask that the prosecution take a strong look at this case and determine whether it's liable or not. Mr. Pickersgill has basically been suspended from his job as a result of this case, and it's rippling into the other aspects of his life.
So he's just waiting for this case to be resolved?
Yes, it's been coming to court.
He's supposed to be assigned?
I have not myself, but I'm making a record.
So, do you want a short date then?
Is that what you want? You want a short date, or do you want a long date to go
Or September 14th?
5th. We can do September 5th. Thank you.
September. Come to order. Now calling. One, two,
How are you?
That's correct. There has been talk about alternatives to incarceration programs. My client, I believe the DA's office is evaluating everything now. Mr. Althea has another case up in 835 that was put over September 27th. Next date.
September 27th, and then case of grand jury action with this position. I see you've been waiting 30. Are you continuing to wait it?
Yes.
30 is waived. For the next court date, the lowest protection. Let's give everyone on September 27th.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
People number one. Comes to order. Now calling number one for defendant Bruce
Like I said, they don't care. You don't want to. They can do. Which is understandable. It's just all a lot. Because of this, it's making a lot of things delay. I have like the same music thing I was telling you about. All of this is getting delayed because I'm not working. I love my job more than anything else. My job puts a lot. My job, I get $22 an hour. That's a lot for me for 12 hours shift. You understand? So me not making those money that I'm used to is pushing me back. You understand? This shit is crazy. I didn't they expect us to follow rules when you do that to people, that's all you're leaving us to go do crime. It's like you're setting us up to go do crime and rob and do shit or illegal stuff. You understand? This thing is crazy. Look, sorry, thank you so much. I'm just gonna go on the stairs and just just get my voice. But thank you, sir. Alright. It's not even said they need more time for prep themselves. It's so stupid. Bruh, I'm gonna tell you, sir. Would I lick out Fambo blood clot face again? Would I lick out him face? You hear me say? They be want music. The only reason I'm getting let out that is because me have to show them some of my EP and everything will come out. And all of that. And with the EP and everything coming out, it actually give me lenience to say, okay, him a do music, him work, him have a dog, him have a son, give him leniency. But a bitch, you see all of them something about me, free me up, bitch. But they're in this blood clot place, they're in this place constantly. I got a coat, I got a bumble clot coat, every fucking with them lick out but the nasty blood clot people here. The next date is September the 5th. Come tell them, say, I'm going to give me one early date so we can come out of that place. Yeah. Bumbleclad. It's a legal aid. Legal aid. It's legal aid. Legal aid. This is what I'm telling people. I always have the money to get a lawyer. You understand? And then again to Fambo broke. Fambo broke because one time me forgot when me try Fambo for sue him and take money off him. This nigga not have no money. Him not have no money. Him not have nothing, no ties. He's very broke in America. So I waste my time. People try to get money for sue Fambo for all of the months that I'm out of work and all of that when my kids shit. Give up. It's waste some money because the bitch broke. But check the bitch and check her shit. Bitch not the money. Her family not the money. None of them money. There's a bunch of broke, dirty blood clot, broke hungry people. Fuck you go on the floor. Donald Trump have the money, yeah? So even if they mark up Donald Trump don't have a lot of money put away and put down. And he have money, a lot of money in his kids' names, in offshore account. Remember, the man never pay no tax to the country, none at all. None at all, the man never pay no country. You understand? Let me say this again too. A lot of people will say to me, say, oh, Jav, control yourself. We can't control my blood clot self. Used to get $22 an hour, I'm working 12-hour shift. We take care of baby. I fucking work with kids. You understand? I'm a management work. I'm a good bumper class. I'm a newborn baby. I'm going to get my money, bro. Where I get good pay. Work with white people. Good people are Spanish. But now they scare me. They are scare me not fire. Fine. If they are scare me, remember, you know how me get money? I pay for son. Me get money from the people them good. If you see that picture right now, that Yankee steer them, because that Yankee steer them, they are a high blood clot from a bust up our head. Dirty woman.
Cross, I'm stressed out. These are the shit that stress me out. Cause everything I'm supposed to prevent myself from, I kind of give back out in it because today, alright, man, I'll quote today. Them Africans some shit. Them Afro my shit because it's not like when they do nothing wrong. Or it's like the person who tell a lie for me, them know themselves say them fuck around and lick out them blood clot, which is fair because when me go ahead and fuck with somebody and them lick me, like them fight me. But the rest me, I call the cops and I tell the cops why you fuck. You understand? When me I drink fruit juice. You understand? Shit got me tight. Can't go back to work, so I'm not going back to work. When I go back to work, can't go back to work. I have a lot of people might be like, we have a lot of things to do. No, I went to school for this. I wait for this. I do my interview for this. I clean up myself for this. I do everything I need for to get this job. So when I not be able to do my, when I'm unable to do my job and get my money. When I need to have in my pocket, I can get my vehicle, get my furniture, them up in my life, take care of my son, and take care of my dog, and take care of myself. It's fucking annoying because let me tell you something. It's unfair for people fuck around with me, yeah? Fuck around with me, and me can work my money and do my thing, but yes, them can keep them party and whatever I like. It not gonna happen. And me I put this as a threat. Me I send threat. It just won't fucking happen. It not gonna happen. I'm serious. Fuck you talking about, people. Fuck what you talk about. Fuck what you talk about. Anyone that only in my position would be upset. Fuck it, woman, I'm clot much for man. Bumbo clot. I'm so fuck for. She gonna look up in her big pussy. Dirty woman, me talk about blood clot mutation come down my mouth. They gonna look up in her big blood clot, big universe hole. Sure, bumbo clot, me cross now me class anybody right now, I fight with all the police them and lick out them face. Ox it out, me ignorant. Bumbo clot. She come, now talk about my blood clot mouth, she come let's say come and looking at my mouth. Come and look like me a chat to her. Dirty self, dirty woman. Sure. Fuck you looking at my mouth for bitch. Fuck you looking at my mouth for dirty woman like me a talk to her. She gonna look up in her big pussy. Sure. Let me tell you something. Now let me explain myself one last time. I don't feel normal in a I don't feel normal in a no type of way. I don't feel blood clot normal. I don't feel normal no how. I don't feel good. I don't feel normal. I don't feel good. I cross. Still I got a code for this. But you know I can keep on a dirty bus ride party and things on the party. I'm going to suck with the mother the devil is. Yo, brother. It just won't happen. It's not gonna happen. Never happen. Fuck all of that. Fuck that. It never happen. Fuck that talk about. Only can blood clot. Only can come from blood and get asylum in America. Asylum, I'm come here. Me come here straight, I only get asylum. And only see me a party. Only see me on a friend party. And only see me on a friend party. Yeah? When you come here for asylum, only see me on a big pussy Fambo. And them dirty woman, she me attack. I'm going to start it. I'm going to response if a blood clot pressure high. I'm going to response because she come, this fuck out, lick out, body nasty girl. You understand? The big pussy woman, she come here for asylum, yeah? She come here for asylum, big pussy Fambo, let me repeat myself. Fuck out Fambo, cause bitch, me not like you. I'm not really respond. Just like all them can keep me up in a court, bitch, me can start problem. I'm not responsible for blood clot, jail or nothing. I'm not responsible cause girl, me I put this out there now. Anyone me see a girl now, a bust out me your head. I'm done talk, bruh. I don't tell the suckled girl will come for asylum and blood clot come here with a fuck out family and a lick up batty hungry woman. When the blood clot they go and make a Jamaica dirty girl. You understand? I have my work. I got a messy party. I'm not trouble this big pussy woman. I should come and she fuck around with me. I'm a lick out her blood clot. I should go tell her, this bitch have me in a court, save me up and down and come. Bitch, I go like say me thief some money from you. I'm a see I'm a bully you. I'm a text it for you. I'm a see I'm a attack you and trouble you. If it was like that now, then fear. But bully you, I'm a attack your fear. But bitch, me not trouble you and they want come play with blood clot in a police station. And I put bitch me after blood clot licking in your face again. Because when some of my house and can't pay my internet bill. And my internet a cut off, me have to have blood clot. I overdraft. But checking account. And them blood clot something there. I am the one. We have to struggle and buy food and blood clot things to take care of myself. And guess what? When I expect for ask them blood clot get up on Instagram cause what? I have a social and I have a green card. We come here come work. I'm ready to work my work. I collect my pay so no girl can say nothing to me. Cause I not take disrespect. I'm gonna take disrespect. I'm gonna stay like some girl. Whenever on Instagram I have a friend, some girl to get a plate of food. Me not do that. I'm not friend girl on Instagram to eat a plate of food. I'm not wait for me not go chat up to no girl on this. I wait for them to cook them food, to sell on Instagram, to come friend me as a batty boy for give nobody no food. Cause suck to the mother. Me eat the rat, me want class, me want fight, me want lick everybody. Bumbo class come and play with me. I'm no girl, no friend. Every girl go suck them mother. I say me so fucking my body, my pressure is, I know my pressure, I realize I have a pressure problem, but I'm angry to my body, I get hot. I'm angry to my body, I get hot. I am angry to my body, I get hot. They don't want to complain with me, they suck pussy, blood clot, nasty cell, bitch, go suck your mother, bitch. Fuck you talk about. Big pussy woman, but they have blood clot, and they watch it too, my lawyer. Claim for say, when I weigh him say, but what's my last story? Big pussy like I talk about, I just got off the phone with the prosecutor and they're saying they are still investigating the matter and they are planning on meeting with the person that accused you of this soon. It does not sound like this will dismiss early, but they have a moment. I think so. I'm gonna fight you. You feel like saying I see you outside, I'm gonna fight you. I tell you this straight. Me see you face to face, I'm gonna fight you. Yeah, I'm not gonna act like I'm not gonna fight you. I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna tell you this straight up straight because I don't like you. I don't like your body boy. I don't like your body boy. I don't like your bitch. I don't like no good now you. I don't like nothing we have to do with your bitch. I don't like your bitch. Bitch. I see how people are bringing down me and going there and bring down your blood clot to come like your body boy. Bitch, and nobody when me know say me and them my friend and them my friend me I stop chat to them too. Me not like you go suck your mother pussy Fambo. Me want dig out your face. I think about so many things that I'm thinking about, guys. Where all over the place, I'm violent, more fight. Too much things that I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about too much things. 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 Too much things, too much things. Them I think about a whole heap of something right now. A whole heap of something. A whole heap of something I think about. A whole heap of things. Yeah. I think about too much things. My mind just there all over the place. My mind is all over the place and I can't seem to come to a what do I call it there now? I can't seem to come to a full understanding, a full alright, folks, want me to put this now? I just can't agree to what the fuck is going to fuck on, bitch. Fuck you my energy, bitch.